By definition, hacking is the practice of altering the features of a system to accomplish a goal which is not in the scope of the purpose of its creation. Hacker was a term used to denote a skilled programmer who is having more knowledge in operating systems and in networking. But currently, hacking has more negative implications, and so the term hacker. Though there are many classifications under the term hackers, like grey hat, light hacker, blue hat, etc. The two major groups of hackers are black hat and white hat hackers. A white hat hacker is also known as the ethical hacker, who perform hacking for a legitimate reason. They either perform hacking on their own system to test their security level, or for a company within a contractual agreement. A black hat hacker, on the other hand, is a malicious hacker who violates the computer security for little personal gain. They break into the secure network to destroy or to steal the data. However, every hacker, whether it is a black hat hacker or a white hat hacker, all of them have the following general procedures and stages for breaking into the system or to achieve their goal. Let us discuss them one by one in the following videos. Thank you.